Welcome to this video on engineering the local cold-to-sold growth engine. We will explore how to transform local search volume into measurable, high-ticket client acquisition for your business. If your business isn't visible on Google, you are essentially invisible to most local customers. Failing to command your Google business profile means handing high-value contracts to competitors. Remember, every lost lead isn't just a minor loss, it's a significant missed opportunity. Stop relying on static websites. Instead, build a digital handshake that works 24/7. By automating your bookings and follow-up processes, you can capture high-intent local traffic and turn it into consistent sales and 5-star reviews. Your Google business profile is more than just a listing. It is your digital flagship storefront. Whether you have a physical location or serve a specific area, mastering this platform is essential to scaling your business locally. Introducing the 3x3 Local Dominance Matrix. This framework is divided into 3 critical phases: capture, to intercept traffic; convert, to establish trust; and command, to scale your revenue effectively. Phase 1 is all about capture. The goal here is to intercept high-intent local demand at the exact moment a potential customer performs a search. The Google 3-pack is the holy grail of local SEO. Achieving visibility in this map block is crucial because it is where the vast majority of consumer clicks happen. Focus on keywords, profile completeness, and engaging media to improve your ranking. You can achieve scalable reach without needing physical real estate. By defining exact service areas, you can project your digital presence across affluent regions, allowing you to intercept customers precisely where they need your services. We now move to Phase 2, convert. This phase focuses on establishing unshakable premium trust and ensuring a frictionless engagement experience for your prospects. Credibility is the currency of high-ticket sales. A professional, accurate, and complete profile helps build trust. Positive reviews act as powerful social proof, often deciding whether you or a competitor wins that valuable contract. Your infrastructure must be mobile first. By utilizing features like Google Posts, you can share announcements and special offers directly on the search results page, creating a more direct and frictionless path for on-the-go consumers. Finally, we reach Phase 3, command. This phase centers on leveraging enterprise-level analytics and tracking to achieve zero-cost scalability for your growth engine. Implement a Google-only ecosystem protocol. By using UTM parameters and funneling data from Search Console and GA4 into Looker Studio, you gain deep enterprise insights and can track user paths at zero software cost. Integrating with Google Maps provides the shortest path from search to a closed sale. It acts as the bridge between digital intent and physical action, guiding customers directly to your front door. The architecture for your local dominance is now revealed. It is time to decide. Will you build your engine today or allow your competitors to claim your leads? Contact us to get started.